Welcome back to SK English Connection channel.
The place where learning English feels like chatting with friends.
If you enjoy simple English practice, don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the like button. It helps more learners find our videos.
Ready for sentence number 1?
Let's go.
Section 1. Morning English sentences.
Sentence 1.
Good morning.
Simple, easy, classic.
Repeat after me.
Good morning.
Sentence 2.
Did you sleep well?
It means, was your sleep good?
How did you sleep?
Sentence 3.
I slept well.
That's what I say when my neighbor's dog isn't singing at 3 a.m. Repeat.
I slept well.
Sentence 4.
I'm still tired.
My favorite sentence. Again.
I'm still tired.
Sentence 5.
I need some coffee.
Now we're speaking my language. I need some coffee.
Sentence 6.
What's the plan for today?
Useful at home and work.
What's the plan for today?
Sentence 7.
I'm running late.
Unfortunately, I use this sentence often.
Repeat.
I'm running late.
Sentence 8.
I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
We all know that sometimes means 20 minutes. Paul?
Just being honest.
I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Sentence 9.
Let's get going.
Great sentence for leaving the house.
Let's get going.
Sentence 10.
Have a great day.
A positive sentence everyone should use.
Have a great day.
Mini story.
Imagine you're leaving for work.
Your friend says, "Good morning."
You answer, "Good morning. I slept well."
Then you say, "I'm running late."
And finally,
Have a great day.
Section 2. Home conversation sentences.
Sentence 11.
I'm home.
The happiest sentence after a long day.
I'm home.
Sentence 12.
How was your day?
A very common question.
How was your day?
Sentence 13.
It was great.
Hopefully true.
It was great.
Sentence 14.
It was a busy day.
Very useful for adults.
It was a busy day.
Sentence 15.
What's for dinner?
One of the most important questions in life.
Really?
Absolutely.
What's for dinner?
Sentence 16.
I'm hungry.
Very, very hungry.
Focus, Paul.
I'm hungry.
Sentence 17. That smells good.
Perfect when someone is cooking.
That smells good.
Sentence 18.
Can you help me?
Extremely useful.
Can you help me?
Sentence 19.
Sure, no problem.
A friendly answer.
Sure, no problem.
Sentence 20.
Thank you for your help.
Politeness always wins.
Thank you for your help.
Speaking practice.
Pause. Sure, no problem. Pause. Thank you for your help. Pause. Excellent. Section 3. Work and study sentences.
Sentence 21.
How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Sentence 22. I'm working on it.
Useful when someone asks about progress.
I'm working on it.
Sentence 23.
Give me a moment.
Give me a moment.
Sentence 24. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Sentence 25. I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Sentence 26. I'm not sure.
One of the most important English sentences.
Why?
Because nobody knows everything.
I'm not sure. Sentence 27. Let me check.
Let me check.
Sentence 28. I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
Sentence 29. That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Sentence 30. Good job.
Everyone likes hearing that.
Good job.
Quick review.
Repeat these 5 quickly. I'm working on it. Give me a moment. I'm not sure. Let me check. Good job.
Nice. You're already learning real English.
Section 4. Shopping sentences. Sentence 31. How much is this?
How much is this?
Sentence 32. That's too expensive.
My wallet says this often.
That's too expensive.
Sentence 33.
Do you have a smaller size?
Do you have a smaller size?
Sentence 34. I'm just looking.
Very useful in stores.
I'm just looking.
Sentence 35.
I'll take it.
The sentence stores love.
I'll take it.
Sentence 36.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Sentence 37. Do you have change?
Do you have change?
Sentence 38. Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
Sentence 39. It's on sale.
The most beautiful sentence in shopping.
It's on sale.
Sentence 40.
That's a great deal.
That's a great deal.
Real life dialogue. How much is this?
$20.
That's too expensive.
But it's on sale. That's a great deal.
Fine, I'll take it.
Success.
Section 5. Daily Social English. Sentence 41. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Sentence 42. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Sentence 43. What do you do?
What do you do?
Sentence 44. That's interesting.
That's interesting.
Sentence 45. Really?
One word. Very powerful.
Really?
Sentence 66.
No way.
Great for surprises.
No way. Sentence 47. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Sentence 48. I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you.
Sentence 49. That sounds great.
That sounds great.
Sentence 50.
Keep up the good work.
Keep up the good work. Congratulations.
Wait, we're only halfway?
Yes,
So we still have 50 more useful sentences coming?
exactly.
Then viewers should stay until the end because the next 50 sentences are even more useful in real conversations.
And we'll practice them together.
See you in part 2.
Part 2. Welcome back, everyone.
If you're still here, congratulations.
You've already learned 50 useful English sentences.
And now we're going to learn 50 more.
These next sentences are some of the most useful sentences for everyday conversations.
So get ready to repeat, practice, and speak confidently.
Section 6. Telephone English.
Sentence 51.
Hello, who's speaking?
Hello, who's speaking?
Sentence 52. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Sentence 53. The connection is bad.
The connection is bad.
Sentence 54. Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
Sentence 55. I'll call you back.
I'll call you back.
Sentence 56. Sorry, I missed your call.
Sorry, I missed your call.
Sentence 57. I'm in a meeting.
I'm in a meeting.
Sentence 58. I'll text you later.
I'll text you later.
Sentence 59. Thanks for calling.
Thanks for calling.
Sentence 60. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Mini practice. Do you have a smaller size? Repeat after me. Can you hear me? Pause. Could you repeat that? Pause. I'll call you back. Pause. Excellent.
Sentence 61.
Excuse me, where is the station?
Excuse me, where is the station?
Sentence 62. How long does it take?
How long does it take?
Sentence 63. Which way should I go?
Which way should I go?
Sentence 64. Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Sentence 65. I'd like a ticket, please.
I'd like a ticket, please.
Sentence 66. What time does it leave?
What time does it leave?
Sentence 67. I think we're lost.
Hopefully not.
I think we're lost. Sentence 68. Could you help us?
Could you help us?
Sentence 69. Thank you for the directions.
Thank you for the directions.
Sentence 70. We finally made it.
My favorite travel sentence.
We finally made it. Funny moment.
Emily, have you ever gotten lost?
Once.
Once?
Okay, maybe 10 times.
Finally, something we're both good at.
Section 8. Friendship and Social English. Sentence 71. How have you been?
How have you been?
Sentence 72. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Sentence 73. I'm glad to see you.
I'm glad to see you.
Sentence 74. What have you been up to?
What have you been up to?
Sentence 75. Let's catch up sometime.
Let's catch up sometime.
Sentence 76. That made my day.
That made my day.
Sentence 77. You're absolutely right.
You're absolutely right.
Sentence 78. I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
Sentence 79. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Sentence 100. Everything will be okay.
Everything will be okay.
Emotional moment.
You know, sometimes people are afraid to speak English.
That's true.
They're worried about mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly.
Every fluent speaker once made beginner mistakes.
So if you're making mistakes,
You're learning.
Section 9. Problem-solving English. Sentence 81.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
Sentence 82. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Sentence 83. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Sentence 84. Could you explain that?
Could you explain that?
Sentence 85. Let's try again.
Let's try again.
Sentence 86. It's not working.
It's not working.
Sentence 87. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Sentence 88. We can figure it out.
We can figure it out.
Sentence 89. That's much better.
That's much better.
Sentence 90. Problem solved.
The happiest sentence ever.
Problem solved.
Quick conversation.
It's not working.
Let's try again.
I don't understand.
We can figure it out.
Oh, that's much better.
Problem solved.
Section 10. Confident English sentences. Sentence 91. I can do it.
I can do it.
Sentence 92. I'll do my best.
I'll do my best.
Sentence 93. I'm getting better every day.
I'm getting better every day.
Sentence 94. I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Sentence 95. Every step counts.
Every step counts.
Sentence 96. Learning takes time.
Learning takes time.
Sentence 77. Practice makes progress.
Practice makes progress.
Sentence 98. I won't quit.
I won't quit.
Sentence 99. I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself.
Sentence 100. I speak English with confidence.
I speak English with confidence.
Final speaking practice. Let's practice the final 5 together. I believe in myself. Pause. Learning takes time. Pause. Practice makes progress. Pause. I won't quit. Pause. I speak English with confidence. Fantastic.
Wow,
We did it.
100 daily use English sentences.
These are real sentences you can use every day,
At home,
at work,
while traveling.
and in everyday conversations.
Here's something important.
Don't try to memorize all 100 today.
Instead, learn 5 or 10 sentences each day.
Use them in real conversations.
Speak them out loud.
Repeat them often.
That's how confidence grows.
Remember, fluency isn't about being perfect,
It's about communicating.
and every sentence you speak brings you closer to fluency.
Before we go, tell us in the comments.
Which sentence was your favorite?
And which sentence will you start using today?
If you enjoyed this English podcast, don't forget to subscribe.
Like the video and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing,
Keep believing in yourself.
and we'll see you in the next English podcast. Bye, everyone.